Hello everyone, today we are making a simple teriyaki chicken that's really flavorful and easy to make at home. It uses just a few ingredients, cooks in one pan, and the chicken stays juicy with a light glossy sauce. Let me show you how I make it. For this recipe, I'm using about 320 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. If the chicken thighs are all uneven in thickness, you can cut into the thicker parts and spread them out. I also make a few shallow cuts to break up the connective tissue so the chicken won't shrink too much, stay flat, and cooks evenly. Then I lightly pierce both sides of the chicken with the tip of a knife or a fork. Now we can start seasoning them. Add a pinch of salt and white pepper on each side and gently massage it in. Then we add a light coating of cornstarch on each side and gently massage again till evenly coated. With the chicken prepared, let's make the teriyaki sauce. Combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So in general, this sauce follows a 2:1 ratio. I also add 2 tablespoons of water so the sauce reduces more gently. Then add 1 clove of garlic, finely grated for extra aroma. Then I mix everything together and set it aside. Now we are ready to cook the chicken. Add some oil to the pan over medium heat. Then add the chicken thighs to the pan and gently press them down with a spatula so they stay flat and sear evenly. Cook them over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes till the bottom turns lightly golden. Then flip the chicken, press it down again, and briefly cover the pan for about 1 to 2 minutes to help it cook through. After uncovering the pan, wipe away the excess oil. This way the dish stays lighter and the sauce coats the chicken better. When the chicken is mostly cooked through, lower the heat to low and add the teriyaki sauce. Let the sauce gently simmer and reduce. Once the sauce becomes glossy and clings to the chicken, turn off the heat, and we're done. Then transfer the chicken to a plate and let it rest for a couple minutes before slicing. Then slice them on a slight angle to help the chicken stay tender and pick up more sauce. This teriyaki chicken is simple, flavorful, and great for an easy weeknight meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.